Hi everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel Learn English Language with Sarjaro Patil. Today we are going to discuss an appreciation of the poem The Twins. You know that The Twins is written by Henry Sambrook Lake. In the last session we have discussed about the poem, and in this session I have taught you some poetic devices in this poem. Now look at an appreciation of this poem. First of all, I am going to read the activity. Read the poem. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of following points. First, title. Second, poet. Third, rhyme scheme. Fourth, figure of speech. And fifth one, central idea or theme. In new evaluation pattern, there are only 5 points for appreciation. विद्यार्थी मित्रो, जुन्या इव्हॅल्युएशन पॅटर्न मध्ये 8 मुद्दे 10 मार्कासाठी होते. नवीन मूल्यमापन पद्धतीमध्ये 5 मुद्दे 5 मार्कासाठी आहेत. टायटल अर्ध्या मार्कासाठी, पोएट हे अर्ध्या मार्कासाठी आहे. तिसरी स्टेप जी आहे राईम स्कीम, त्याच्यासाठी 1 मार्क आणि फिगर ऑफ स्पीच साठी 1 मार्क. आणि शेवटचा जो मुद्दा आहे सेंट्रल आयडिया ऑर थीम फॉर 2 मार्क्स. अशा रीतीनं 5 मार्कासाठी ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी आपल्याला परीक्षेमध्ये सोडवायची असते. नाउ आय एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द appreciation of this poem. You read the poem. After reading, you can easily solve this activity. You can easily write the appreciation of this poem. What is the activity? Write an appreciation of the poem, The Twins. First point is title. The Twins. You can write only the name of the poem, The Twins. You will get half mark. Or you can write in another way. The name of this poem is The Twins. Second point is poet. You can write only the name of the poet, Henry Sambrook Lake. You will get half mark. Or you can write in another way. The Twins is written by Henry Sambrook Lake. Or you can write this poem is written by Henry Sambrook Lake. You will get half mark. Now I am going to discuss third point, rhyme scheme. If you observe the whole poem, you will find that the rhyme scheme of this poem. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AB AB CD CD. You will get 1 mark for this step. Now I am going to discuss next step, figure of speech. You know that alliteration, pun, hyperbole, these figure of speech are used in this poem. You can write only the name of any one figure of speech for 1 mark. You can write only alliteration. You will get 1 mark for this name. But here I have mentioned the name of the figure of speech and its example. Take the first example, alliteration. Alliteration. The example is in form and feature, face and name. Here the sound F is repeated. So it is an example of alliteration. Second figure of speech is hyperbole. When I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. This is an example of hyperbole. You can write only the name of figure of speech. You will get 1 mark. Now I am going to discuss The last point, central idea or theme. The central idea of this poem is to describe the strange happenings in the life of a person due to the twin. The narrator describes this by his own example. As he was born as a twin, he had to face so many problems. These problems are so exaggerated to create the humor. It makes the readers to laugh and enjoy the poem thoroughly. In this way, you can write the central theme or central idea for 2 marks. You should write at least 3 to 4 lines to write the central idea. In this way, you can complete this activity for 5 marks and you can easily get 5 marks for this activity. I hope all of you have understood this poem and all of you have understood the appreciation of this poem. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.